Interesting birds. This one and the sparrows. Two different kinds. Oh, more sparrows. And now, no sparrows. Only this bird. Very interesting tail. Now, let's see the fish. You see, they're over here. And they're waiting for food. This time, no food. So, maybe I can try to give them a leaf. Let's see if they will like to eat this leaf. They like the leaf. Okay. Two more leaves, because I'm not sure if this is the right food for them. Wow, they like it. But in case it's not very healthy for them, don't give them too much. The last time. Oh. Wow, they are so hungry. Let's see the bird again. It's still over there. And some sparrows around. Wow, so lively. Goodbye birds, goodbye fish.